Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will start a simple floral design. So look at my hands. It makes me feel calm and excited at the same time. Like literally imagining the dark floral design already makes me smile. How will the petals curl? How will the flowers flow across my fingers? I don't know, but thinking about it is half the fun. So today is purely mental preparation. I am just scrolling through Pinterest, nothing permanent, just imagining. I keep thinking maybe this swirl a bit smaller, this flower slightly bigger. Planning in my head is surprisingly calming, and I love the slow movement of my fingers as I imagine the patterns. It feels like meditating, but fun. I even notice little things, like how my knuckles bend, the shape of my nails, how soft the skin is. It all matters for when the mehndi actually goes on. Small details make a huge difference later. And I just run my fingers over my hand imagining how every petal and swirl. उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। स्टे कनेक्टेड। बाय बाय।